Hello guys, and welcome back to Doc Mac Garage, and today I'm going to show you a particular error message which comes up on your dash cluster. Now this is a Mercedes-Benz W211 E350 2006. It comes up with a particular error message, not this particular one, but the one about convenience functions not being available. So when I start the car, take a look, battery protection convenience functions temporarily unavailable. So now what does that mean? So basically this particular vehicle has got two batteries. One is an auxiliary battery and the other one is your main 12-volt battery. So whenever you see that, that means your main 12-volt battery has dropped below 12 volts. Now for my case, it went down to 11.8 volts. Now you can run the vehicle for about 2-3 minutes. The alternator will charge the battery up and you should see that message disappear. Now while that message is on, things like your USB port or your cigarette lighter port is not going to work, and any of the convenience functions as well. Alright guys, I hope that has been a quick and useful and informative video. Please consider subscribing if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.